Hey, what's up guys? Matt Steffanina back with another tutorial for you today. And this time I'm gonna be teaching you me and Josh's choreography to The Box by Roddy Ricch. Super fun routine, like kind of intermediate advanced level. And once you guys learn it, of course, make sure you find me on Instagram, tag me if you post covers, because we're gonna be reposting a bunch of you guys. And also on TikTok. If you haven't found me on TikTok yet, at Matt Steffanina. What's really cool is you can actually do a duet with the video that I posted of us dancing it. Make sure you find me on TikTok. But yeah, upload your covers, and if you guys are ready, let's get to this choreography. The first step, it actually starts on 8, not on 1. So make sure you come in a little early before that first beat, and you're gonna take your hands and you're gonna bring them back to your right hip. It's kind of like Dragon Ball Z when they like set up like, ame. So you wanna make this really big, because this 1 on the bass is gonna go up and over with your right hand. Then you're gonna drop 2, and you're gonna jump back on 3 onto your right foot. So this is 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna step on this foot, this left foot, and go high and low. So that right hand's doing most of the work. Da. Then you're gonna scoop around and pull your foot in and come to the front like this. Good, so timing from the top is 6, 7, this is 8, 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and 5. Feet together. Then you're gonna hit your elbows down and back. Boom, that's gonna make you hop. Then you're gonna go right, left, right to come to the front like this. It's like you're holding a steering wheel the wrong way. I don't know why you'd ever drive like that. Don't do that, But for this dance, shoom, we're gonna hold it like that. Then you're gonna steer deep, right, left, right. Make sure you have this walk with it, kind of taking you down. Right, left, right, to swerve to the left. To go box and box, just like that. So 3 boxes, song is called The Box, you get it. It starts here, left hand on top, it switches right hand on top, switches back, left hand on top, yeah? So let's put that together after you did jump, right, left, right, grab the wheel, right, left, right, swerve to the left, then you're stepping on your right foot first, click, then you bring it behind, click, bring it back, hey, then you're gonna roll your hands back and grab your chin like this, and he's gonna say, So on that, you're just pushing your head like kind of down on a diagonal to the right. Then you're gonna hit this groove really big, whoop, A, whoop, A. This is like speed skating, like when they do like this with the A, he's gonna say, lazy, and it's not like a perfect clean wave, like just kind of let it be flowy and lean with it real big. Then you're gonna catch that right there, and you're gonna bring this foot around to come here, and hello Michael right there. So timing on all this, you did shoom, drive, we're going ha in the box, 1, 2, this is slow, and lazy, doom, and a click. Then you're catching this little moonwalk step here. You're taking your left foot back and going right heel up, switch, left heel up, switch, right heel up 3 times. Then you're gonna come to the front, shoot, drop, and lift this up here, which is gonna send you into this groove in a second. But that's the first, actually a little more than a half, I even think. So let's go back from the top, put that much together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and 5, 6, and a right, left, right, and a grab. Toom, 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 a click, 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 broom. Right, 2, 3, 4, lazy, 2, and a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and a 7. Good, and that sends us into this groove. So all I'm doing on this groove for the next part, my feet are just left, right, left, right, left, right, this little bounce, and my body goes to the side and switch. Then you're gonna go 5 and you can do a little Cash App. I know that looks more like a swipe on Tinder, but it's Cash App today. Cash App, you're gonna go open, hit twice, bass, bass, and the second one's gonna make you go into this little box step around. So it's 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and. So this is where he says wipe his nose, wipe your nose, and you're gonna take your heels to the front, click, and step, right, left. And your hands are just bringing your body up. So one more time, it's point, you twist your heels to the front, and step on that left, da-da, Then almost there, let's finish this up. You're gonna step on your right foot, you're gonna do this footwork. In, out and behind, in, out and behind. So it's just this, but at the same time, I'm stepping behind, stepping behind, stepping behind, right? Your hands, this is where he says, I will never sell my, so you're just kind of saying like no with your hands. Dun, 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 dun. And then you're gonna hit to the right and come around to drop. And I gave everyone a little freedom in class here, so we could all do the drop however you wanted, and then you could hit that next, I could dab that, I forget the words, but I could tag that, grab that, dab that, whatever it is. On that, that's where you do your own movement. So it's boom, here, whatever you want. Then we're all gonna catch this together, a little cat daddy scoop up. You're gonna go, hit that again. So the first one is to the left, and then when you go to the right, it's gonna send you into this groove. My hands are going open and behind my head. So I'm going and ha, and then last move, I'm gonna step on my left, use my right arm and my right leg to pull me around into a turn, and then I'm gonna finish it with the left arm and the left leg, and I'm gonna keep my right foot in the back. I'm gonna grab the box, bam, hit it down to the floor. So one more time, after here, you're stepping forward on the left, pull around and down. Then you got the box. Is it fragile? I hope not, because you're gonna kick it up to here, fists. Then your hands go down, just your right hand, look to the center, and then you hit a little groove, and we're adding a little bounce to it. And that's gonna be your end into your freestyles. You guys got all the choreography, man. Good job today. Obviously, we gotta go back, clean it up a little bit, but that's the gist of it. So let's take it slow from this whole section, Cash App, all that, so you have a section you can practice. 5, 6, 7, this is 8. You went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and bass, boom. 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, low, and 2 and 3, 4, 5, and a 6, and 7, 8, 2, and turn and down. Kick the box up, click, click, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then of course at the end, after you freestyle, if you want to catch the groove that me and Josh did at the very end, that's really fun too. All right, that's the whole combo, guys. Good job. Let's go back to the top. First we'll do it slow, then we're gonna do it up to speed so you got the whole thing ready for music. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and 5, 6, and a ta, 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 and a whoom. 2 and 3, 4, box, 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 1, 2, 3, I'ma get lazy, gun, a 2 and a 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and a down, lean, 2, 3, 4, 5 and cash app, 7, bass, 1, 2 and hey, 4, 5 and 6 and pull, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and a 6 and 7. Last part, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and up. Click, click, 1, hey, 2, hey, 3, yeah. And a little freestyle, and you got it. That's it. So let's take a deep breath, because I'm out of breath. I'm trying to talk and dance at the same time. I feel like Britney Spears up here. All right, we're gonna go up to speed so you guys can try it with the music. It's just a little faster, nothing crazy, but make sure as you speed it up, you keep those moves crisp. Don't let things get sloppy. So still clean, 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 and a stop, right? Keep all those details in there. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and 5, 6, and tap, 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 and a whoom. 2 and 3, 4, box, 5, and 6, and a head. 1, 2, 3, I'ma get lazy. A 2 and a 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and a shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and prep, bass, bass. 2 and hey, 4, 5 and 6 and hey, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and a 6 and 7, 1 and 2 and turn, turn and down. Kick, bring it up, tick, tick, 1, hey, yeah. All right, guys, so that's the whole combo. Hopefully you got it down. If not, remember, keep practicing. Make sure you find me on Instagram, on TikTok. Post your covers with the hashtag so I can check them out. We'll be reposting a bunch. Good job today. I'll see y'all back in the studio real soon.